Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make mustard cake fertilizer. I had 200 gram mustard cake. I will put it in plastic pot to making liquid fertilizer for our plant. We can make mustard cake fertilizer in earthen pot. Earthen pot is the best to making any fertilizer. But if you not available earthen pot, you can use plastic pot, but don't use steel or aluminum utensils. Now we will put 1 liter water to soak it. We will soak the mustard cake for 4 days. It will be diluted properly. We can use this fertilizer for our plant after 4 days. You can see after 4 days the mustard cake fertilizer is ready. We will shake it with help of stick. For making the liquid fertilizer, we will take 1 glass of fertilizer. We will keep extra fertilizer in separate pot. Use it according to the need. Now we will put it in same pot to add more water. We will add 10 times more water to make actual form. The actual ratio is 1 part is mustard liquid form and 10 part of water. Now we will dilute properly. We have used a plastic bucket so that the liquid fertilizer can be taken out easily in this glass. We will take just 100 ml mustard cake liquid fertilizer to every pot. Before adding fertilizer, we make smooth soil of the pot. Then we will add fertilizer so that the fertilizer can be easily absorbed into the soil. Remember, we will use this fertilizer in dry soil. We will add water tomorrow. We can use this fertilizer for flowering and fruiting plants. Don't use this fertilizer for succulent plants. It is a phosphorus-rich fertilizer. There is nitrogen, potassium and any other micronutrients. Mustard cake fertilizer is very useful for fruiting and flowering plants. It gives better growth of the plants. We can use this fertilizer every 20 days. So friends, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. I will give you a lot of information about gardening tips. Thanks for watching.